In this video, you will be shown how to use the Nivex self-leveler from Profix. Nivex is a fast-setting self-leveler composed of hydraulic cement and polymers. It is mostly used for leveling floors or covering heating cables like we're about to see in this video. By adding water to the mix, you obtain a free-flowing cement that levels by itself, leaving a smooth but hard surface ready to tile in 2 to 4 hours. Here's the list of material you will need to install the Nivex: a broom, a 20-liter pail, a drill and mixer, a flat metal trowel, a 10mm paint roller, a measuring cup, and silicone. All surfaces have to be structurally sound, clean, dry, and free from dust, oil, grease, paint, wax, sealer, or curing agents that could act as a bound barrier between the leveler and the substrate. All surfaces that were previously in contact with one of these substances must be sanded, stripped, or scarified, and then primed with Profix primer. In doubt, please contact our technical service line for more details. PX primer is a pre-diluted latex primer that can be rolled on with a paint roller. Primer should dry in about 2 hours. When the surface is dry, you're ready to pour the Nivex over it. In a clean pail, slowly add the powder to 5.7 liters of fresh, cool water. Mix for about 3 minutes until you obtain a creamy, lump-free mixture. Start pouring the Nivex as soon as the mixing is done. We recommend to block any opening like vents, drains, as well as the perimeter of the room to prevent leveler from flowing through. Work in a continuous motion to ensure that the multiple pours don't overlap each other as the product sets. You can use a squeegee or a flat metal trowel to even out the product or push it in harder areas to reach. It is mandatory to leave an expansion joint of 1/4 inch on the perimeter of the room. You can place a piece of foam on the bottom of the wall or pull a 1/4 inch bead of silicone. Once the application is completed, the product should take from 2 to 4 hours to dry. Temperature and humidity will greatly influence the curing time. It is important for you to know that the Nivex can't be used as a finishing surface and must be covered by a compatible type of floor covering. If you encounter any problems or if you have any questions on the installation of the product, please contact our technical service line.